This is a body butter that you will not resist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this body butter and you will love it. This is a body butter that will suit your skin, that make your skin glow at once. And here, I don't add fresh things on my body butter. So guys, stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how to make yours. It's so fluffy and it's so good, and it is non-greasy as well. So let's get started. To make this, you will need unrefined shea butter, you will need cocoa butter, and you will need exotic mango butter. And then you also need carrot oil. So you all know that shea butter helps dry skin, soothe the skin, makes the skin glow, and helps eczema as well. Same with cocoa butter. Cocoa butter also removes stretch mark on your skin. Mango butter help the skin elasticity of your skin and makes your skin glow. All these butters are so good for the skin. And look at this. This is carrot oil. And carrot oil helps lighten the skin naturally. We're going to be using vitamin E oil and also turmeric extension oil. Now, you want to add everything as usual inside the bowl. In this recipe, we don't use fresh fruits or fresh veg. This is a recipe that you can also make for yourself. Also resell it as well. That you can make for yourself, make for your friends and family, and you can also resell it. So no hard feelings here. I show you the real ingredients. So you add them all together with the oil, which is carrot oil, and then you use this film to cover it, making sure they are all tight and nice so that water cannot penetrate inside the butter. Now you want to put it on a double boiler. In this double boiler, I kept something under so that it cannot evaporate and enter inside, especially when I'm opening it. So after it has melted, I have to cover it again, let it cool down a bit, put them in the freezer, allow it to seem like as if it's getting thick, solidified. And then I'm going to use my whisk to whisk it very, very well. You have to make sure you whisk them very well because it's solidified. You will notice underneath that there is still something under, so you have to use your whisk to make sure everything is out. You can also use your spatula as well. Now I'm going to add vitamin E oil. I'll add turmeric extension oil, and then I'll add extra carrot oil to make it look very fluffy. So I'm going to whisk again. You can add castor oil if you want, but I don't want castor oil. I want something that I can apply on my skin and it will not be too greasy and too oily. But then, and it should also moisturize my skin as well. So you want to whisk it very, very well, making sure there is no lump in it. As it make sure until you whisk and whisk until you see that it looks like a cream. Guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome back. Come to my channel. Kindly like this video, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And then I'm going to put this inside this freezer bag. You don't need a fancy bag like I used to say. You can also put it on a bread bag, those clean bread sandwich bag. All you just want to pipe it in. You can also make it look very, very beautiful with the cake nozzle. So I'm going to put them inside this jar and you are good to go. Look at that. If you're going to sell this, kindly make sure you applied to the cosmetic guidelines. So guys, I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you soon.